Today, enterprises have thousands of APIs, but AI agents still can't use them safely. The docs are messy, there's no structure, no governance, and definitely no MCP layer. So we built Bob Forge. So it's like turn any API into secure agent-ready MCP tools in minutes. Or simply, if you say, from API docs to production-ready MCP servers. We built this using IBM Bob IDE and powered by watsonx AI Granite. Bob helped us structure the entire system from backend services to testing, and Granite handles understanding raw API documentation and converting it into structured intelligence. So this is not just an UI; it's a full AI-powered developer workflow. So let's try it with the real-world API. So the project will be demos. Okay, so we are gonna try it with a real-world API. So we have a Atlas JSON. As you can see, it has it has everything from users, billing, analytics, projects, and hundreds of endpoints. So using Watson AI, we are gonna analyze the document. So instead of reading all this manually, Bob Forge does the hard part. So we convert the messy documentation into structured points. So these are the extracted endpoints. Most tools just stop here, but we go a little bit further. See, as you can see, these are all the extracted endpoints. Okay, so now we are going to generate MCP tools from these endpoints. Okay, so now we converted every endpoint into an MCP tool. So as you can see, each tool is properly named, properly validated, schema validated, and it's ready for agent use. So we move from raw APIs to agent usable capabilities. So now we are going to show the risk and governance part. So as you can see, we can assess the risk here. See, this is where Bob Force stands out. We don't just generate tools, we make them safe. As you can see, every tool is classified as in low, medium, high, or critical. Write operations and sensitive actions automatically require approval. So even if an agent wants to do something risky, say like deleting users or something, it won't execute it directly, it's blocked unless approved. This is what makes MCP usable in real enterprises, governance by default. Okay, so as you can see, the approval is required here. For the low task, the no approval is required. For high-end critical tasks, approvals are required. Okay, so once everything is ready, we generate a complete MCP server. So there's no cloud lock-in in your APIs, your MCP server fully under your control. And here's the key, you can download it as a zip file also, but so there's no cloud lock-in and your APIs, your MCP server fully under your control. This playground is just for testing how the tools behave. Okay, so we are gonna upload a demo JSON file, and as you can see, there are okay list users. It will list it out. List open voices. Okay. For now, we support a limited set of operations in the demo, but the system itself scaled to thousands of endpoints. Risky operations are blocked or require approval, so we don't execute them blindly. So what we have built is not just a generator, it's an enterprise MCP factory. Anything with an API, AWS, banking system, healthcare platforms, whatever you consider, can now become agent ready. So with IBM Bob and watsonx AI, we go from documentation, then intelligence, then safe execution. That's Bob for. And honestly, this doesn't just win hackathon. This could be a startup. So yeah, you can download the proper MCP server for you to use it locally here also.